It is time on this beautiful Wednesday morning to celebrate some birthdays and anniversaries, and we begin in Jasper with Zane Etchason, turning 4 years old today. Zane there, pictured with his great-grandpa GW's tractor. A very happy birthday to you, Zane, and just wait till you're old enough to drive that tractor.
I like it. GW's even got his name on the
Yes,
tractor,
he does.
too. That's cool. All right, Delana Wells celebrating birthday number 9 this year in Miami. Happy birthday, Delana.
And down in Miami as well is Jagger Humble, turning 13 years old today. Jagger is pictured here at the Ark Encounter in Williamstown, Kentucky. That's just an absolutely fascinating place.
Yeah,
Jagger,
cool.
happy birthday to you and enjoy your many travels.
I like that face there, Jagger. Hope you have a happy birthday. Kim Taft celebrating birthday number 52 this year. She only looked 32, that's why I said that.
I'm sure she's only
Yes.
32. We all stop aging
I think
at
the
a certain
52 is a
point.
misprint. We'll go with that. Kim is celebrating in Quapa.
And we've got John Bauer in Thayer celebrating birthday number 57. Now, I'm going to take a guess, but I'm going to believe that John is the gentleman in the striped blue shirt on the far right.
You're only as old as you feel.
Exactly. John, happy birthday to you.
You got a great group of kids there with you. All right, and Robin Shipley turning 62 years old this year. Looking great there, Robin, in Chanute.
We've also got Doug Westervelt celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Nicole Earl down in Sarcoxy turning 19 today. Nikolai Stipp turning 5 in Erie, and Jesse Church turning 64 in Miami.
Out in Erie, Kevin Sands is celebrating. These birthday wishes come for your friends on North Lincoln. And Sean Haggerty in Frontenac, happy birthday to you. Also, birthday wishes going out to Shay Eckhart in Columbus.
Very happy birthday to everybody involved, and Tanya's going to tell you